What is up, Tech Twins? Ray here with Twinfolk Tech, and today I want to take a look at a few accessories I got here for my Pixel 7. I picked these up from Spigen, so I'm gonna just set the phone to the side for now. But look at this beauty. Set her to the side. So basically, when the Pixel 7 launched, Spigen had a deal going on where if you purchase a case from them, then you could also get some other accessories for free. I believe it was only going to be the ArcStation Pro here, which is going to be their charging brick, and then of course you get the cable as well. But I also, when I opened the package, they had also sent me the screen protectors as well. So I was not expecting these screen protectors as well. So this is the case that I picked up here for the Pixel 7. Yeah, this is the core armor. So this one you're not going to find on like Amazon or anything like that. This one I actually picked up straight from Spigen's website. So again, when the Pixel 7 launched, they had a deal going on where if you bought a case from there and it was like over a certain dollar amount, then they would throw in the charging brick and cable as well. And this screen protector showed up unbeknownst to me as a little added bonus there. Let's go ahead and get into it. So let's open up this. Ooh. Now I do love Spigen cases. They offer a lot of really good protection, and I've been using Spigen cases for years and years and years. So yeah, this one I think was about what, 25 bucks. And as much as I hate to cover up the look of this Pixel 7 in this stunning snow color, I mean, this is a pretty sexy case here, folks. So I just loved how it had this Spigen design down here at the bottom when I saw it, and it had like these ridges going across. I love ridged cases for some reason. I don't know why, but that seems to kind of be my thing. I have a case like this pretty much for all of my phones. So yeah, you got a decent amount of lip protection there, and I have a screen protector on here, so it may look like I don't have the most lip protection, but the screen protector kind of matches up a little bit with the lip protection on the case. But anyhow, got a nice amount of lip protection. You got your cutouts below for your speaker and your USB-C charging, and so it's got that oversized cutout for your USB-C cable there. If you have a different cable than the stock one that comes with your Pixel, you got your cutout for your microphone up top, and then of course you got nice clicky buttons. And I love how you have this ridged, this textured power button here, so you can help differentiate the power button from your volume rocker, because people do have trouble with that. It took me a little bit of getting used to coming from phones with the power button and volume rockers on the opposite sides to coming to Pixels when I first started using Pixels, and they have both on the same side. So you got a nice bit of camera protection here for your camera, so it doesn't cover it all the way up, so you still do get to see a little bit of that that matte camera bar peeking through the window there, but it gives you a decent bit of protection there for the camera. So quite like that. But this design is just sick, and I can definitely see myself rocking this. Probably if I had the what is it called, Obsidian? I forget what the dark color is called, but if I had the black Pixel, I probably wouldn't feel as bad rocking this, because that's going to definitely cover up any of those fingerprints and smudges and whatnot. But for the white, for the snow, you really don't run into that many problems with smudges and whatnot. So I do feel kind of guilty ever putting this phone in a case where I can't see through it, but this is still a pretty nice case. So that is that. I've already got a screen protector on there, so I'm not going to actually put these on here, but we can unbox this just to see what we get. So we have the GLAS.tR AlignMaster, and this is the 2-pack. This was a thing that came extra in the box that I didn't know was coming. And this is made specifically for Google Pixel. And so I do like Spigen's screen protector. So they usually give you like a little tray here that you can snap onto the phone to help you align it better. And then they give you like all of the accoutrements there for fixing the case. You've got your cleaning cloth, your wet wipes, your squeegee, and some instructions in there as well. I'm not going to take all this out of the packet because I'm going to be saving this for later. Then of course you got your 2-pack of screen protectors in here. So again, I was not expecting this to come with the stuff, because I did not order this. I have no relationship to Spigen. I'm just a normal consumer purchasing things just like you as far as Spigen is concerned. So thanks for that extra in there. Next up, the Spigen Power ArcStation Pro. So this was actually something that I was expecting, because again, this was part of the deal that they had going on when the Pixel 7 launched. If you bought one of their cases, then you could get a free charging brick and cable. So let's get the unboxing knife. All right, so we got the unboxing knife. I didn't need it on the other stuff, but they got a little bit of tape on here. So we're just gonna cut that nice and subtle. Ow. That's why you got to be careful with your knives, kids. Ouch. All right. So we got that cut, and I also kind of cut myself a little bit. So we'll go ahead and get this unpackaged. And of course, you got like all your little, your literature. Like all these companies say they care about like saving the environment, but they will never cease to put a bunch of unnecessary paper in there. So anyhow. There we go. And this is quite a cute little charging cable. Charging brick. So this one is 30 watt, and it's got the nice foldable prongs. So this is pretty compact, and this, like, you'd be able to take this anywhere, slide this in your pocket quite easily. And then lastly, of course, they sent us the cable to actually be able to charge with. This is a USB 2.0 cable though. So not really up to date with the current USB 3.0 speeds, I guess, but it is what it is. There we go. All right, I'm gonna put this away. Be careful with your pointy objects, kids. All right, so let's get this open. I have no idea what type of material this is, whether it's plastic, one of those nice cloth braided ones, and it's one of those nice cloth braided ones. Sweet. So this is dope. This is dope. You got a little branding there, and I'm surprised it doesn't say Spigen, but it just says Power Arc. Or let me turn it this way. It says Power Arc. And this is one of those nice braided ones. So this one is only about 3 feet, but obviously plug this in here. Plug the other end into your device, and you're good to go. So this is probably going to be my new little travel charger here, because boy, like, this is like nice and solid. Got a cable that's not gonna, you're not gonna have to worry about ripping and tearing on you. Like, this is solid. You even got like the cord protection up here at the top to protect that. So this is pretty dope. I cannot complain. So really awesome haul here from Spigen. Again, we got the charger with the charging cable. We got these free screen protectors, and then we got this beautiful case here for our Pixel 7. So that's been the video, y'all. So be sure to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Ding in the bell icon. Anything you can to support the channel. These videos, I have a lot of fun bringing these to you guys, but they are not easy, and we need to make sure that we do all those things, the YouTube clicky button things, to make sure that YouTube actually knows that we exist over here, because we want to have these conversations and share this awesome tech and these awesome gadgets and accessories with as many people as we can. And yeah, if you all are liking and doing all that stuff, YouTube knows that I am a real person. So anyway, I'll be linking everything that I showed in the video in the description. Be sure to subscribe if you want to catch my Pixel 7 review. That is coming up soon. I wanted to actually live with the device for a little while before I actually put out a review. I'm not one of those use it for 1 week, then do the review kind of people. I'm one of those I have to incorporate it fully into my life, then do the review kind of people. So you will be seeing my Pixel 7 review here pretty soon. So make sure you're subscribed for that. But anyway, it's been real. As always, be good to each other, be good to your tech, and stay twinning. I'm out.